Most food waste doesn't come from supermarkets or restaurants. It comes from our own kitchens. The idea with Clove is that you give it ingredients which you have in your house, and it just provides you with a recipe or multiple recipes for those ingredients. We heard about Innovation Fest in one of our innovation project lectures. The first time we heard it, it sparked our interest, so we wanted to learn more about it and just kind of dive deeper more into it. Talking about the big issues, food waste kept coming up. It fills landfills and pollutes our oceans. So we decided to build something that fixes that at home, and that's where Clove came from. The 3D printing has been the biggest issue so far. Getting everything to fit inside the case has taken many iterations, as usually when you see something on screen, it doesn't always print the way you'd expect it. We're most looking forward to showing Clove off to real people in Innovation Fest, as well as hearing feedback from other people and seeing all the other projects that people have been working on.